welcome back. In this practice, we're going to use the given information to write equation in three different forms. The first one is a slope-intercept form. Let's put down here, we're going to put a number here for the slope and put a number here for the y-intercept. Point-slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals slope, open, close parenthesis, x minus x sub 1. We're going to put this y sub 1 and x sub 1 here. That's the point. And then the last is our standard form ax plus by equals c. Alright, we're going to use the space here to write the equation is the given point -2, -6. And we're going to write this is our x sub 1 and y sub 1. And it already has a slope, so we can put the slope here. But I don't know what the y-intercept is. We don't know it yet. We'll find out very soon. So we're going to copy down this structure here. The structure says y equals 2 times x plus b. Remember, this is x, this is y. So we're going to substitute -2 for x, substitute -6 for y. We're going to copy down the rest. 2 times -2 gives us -4. That is -6 and plus b. In order to find a b, we're going to add for each side. It gives us b is -2. Now we know what is a b. We come here, we say b, we find that you are -2. And let's erase what we don't need. It looks so pretty. And we have 2x minus 2 is our slope-intercept form using the given information. Alright, let's continue right. I'm going to use the same information to write a point-slope form. This is our structure. We already given slope is 2, so we can put down slope is 2. This is a point, that's -2. I'm going to do -2, put it down here. This is -6. I'm going to write down -6, put it here. Then I will simplify. Negative and negative gives us what? Positive. So we have y plus 6 equals 2 times negative, positive, x plus 2. We're done with point-slope form. Alright, last one is to write ax plus by equals c. You can pick one of them and to manipulate and change back to ax plus by equals c. I'm going to use this one. That's simpler, saves steps. So copy down the slope-intercept form. Remember, this is your ax, this is your by, and this is your c. So c is already at its place on the right-hand side. All I need to do is I'm going to get the ax to the left side. Okay? I'm going to subtract. I can erase this portion for you. I don't have to. I just leave it here. I'm going to minus 2x each side. Okay? And then I have, let's build the line here. Make sure it's easier for you to see. And then I have -2x plus y. I meant to write down y equals -2. Erase what we don't need. You see it's really clear now, right? Okay, that is how we use the given information to write the equation in three different forms. Happy learning.